Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride, oxidize toluen, pH CH3, via the Itard reaction to give an intermediate chromium complex. However, in this problem CrO2Cl2 converts pH CH3 into intermediate A, which is benzaldehyde, IChO. This is the Itard oxidation product after hydrolysis, but here the hydrolysis step is replaced by treatment with CrO2Cl2. Moving on to the next step. CrO2Cl2 reacts with toluen to form the Itard complex, which upon mild hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde, IChO. So, A is equal to IChO, benzaldehyde. Moving on to the next step. Benzaldehyde, an aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen that can participate in aldol, but it can undergo Cannizzaro reaction, reacts with CrO2 via the Cannizzaro reaction. In the Cannizzaro reaction, two molecules of an aldehyde lacking alpha hydrogen undergo disproportionation. One molecule is oxidized to the carboxylate salt and the other is reduced to the alcohol. And for the final step, 2PHO plus KOH pH, CH2O plus pH, CrO2K+. So the two products are benzyl alcohol, pH, CH2O, and potassium benzoate, pH, CrO2-. The problem states pH, CH2O is one product, therefore, B must be pH, CrO2 benzoate anion potassium benzoate. A, pH, CrO2H, under strongly basic, KOH conditions, the carboxylic acid would exist as its conjugate base, carboxylate, not as the free acid. So the direct product is pH, CrO2-, not pH, CrO2H. C, PHO, this is the starting aldehyde, A, not a product. D, pH, CH3, this is the original reactant toluene, not formed in this sequence. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.